Okay, the baby Jesus is there. That's the Belen. Oni ang Belen nga atong niya sa atong Our Lady Queen of Peace diri sa Batingil, Dumaguete City. Baby Jesus. Come, you're welcome to come here and mo enjoy dinhi sa atong small Belen o sa atong Our Lady Queen of Peace of Medjugorje. Peace to all men of goodwill. Mayong Pasko kaninyong tanan. Merry Christmas to all. From our family. From my husband Jerry, our children Risa, Roderick, Junjun, the spouses Randy, Glolibeth, Golda, mga apo Rafael, Jerry and Garrick. Merry Christmas to all of you. And a prosperous New Year. A blessed New Year to all. Merry Christmas!